are the company in the world which has the awards in Spain because of the technological like we said, we have tissue generation. We need to have antigen profile. So which are the requirements to trigger the tumor membrane is being integrated, is released. So leukocytes are good when you have an infection or when you do M1, the M1 cannot go through. So when you add more monocytes, you have red blood cells and the fibrin is made. That was strange. It was strange for us. So we checked what happened on this one. You have this effect, low reduction. How many? You don't know if 90%, 100%, 50%. How can you control? Which are the mechanisms behind the science behind the PRP in this case? Well, because every PRP is different. So if you have another PRP, you can know was that in the control there was almost no migration, just a couple of cells. You don't have any, almost any release of tumor membranes. In acne, the major factor in acne is the overpopulation. F2 is the most important fraction of people. At the same heartbeat, during the same time, up to here. So it makes a big difference, the proper situation, and it probably will have contained by both sides. Between one centrifuge and the other. Also, we have the same patient who has the same, because all these in our company, but you need to compare to something.
Yeah, you can compare on the basis of the radiology.